Hello and welcome to the Beginner's Bible Quiz. Leave a comment below how much answers you've guessed correctly. Let's go. Question 1. In which garden did Adam and Eve live? A. Garden of Gethsemane. B. Garden of Eden. C. Garden of Babylon. D. Garden of Olives. Answer B. Garden of Eden. Question 2. Which animal tricked Eve into eating the forbidden fruit? A. A lion. B. A serpent. C. A dove. D. A lamb. Answer B. A serpent. Question 3. What did God use to create Adam? A. Water. B. Air. C. Dust. D. Fire. Answer C. Dust. Question 4. Who was swallowed by a great fish? A. Daniel. B. David. C. Jonah. D. Paul. Answer C. Jonah. Question 5. Which apostle wrote the book of Revelation? A. John. B. Isaac. C. Peter. D. Aaron. Answer A. John. Question 6. What did God create on the first day? A. Animals. B. Sun and moon. C. Light. D. Humans. Answer C. Light. Question 7. Where were the Israelites enslaved before Moses led them out? A. Babylon. B. Egypt. C. Rome. D. Assyria. Answer B. Egypt. Question 8. Who did God make a covenant with, promising never to flood the earth again? A. Adam. B. Noah. C. Abraham. D. Moses. Answer B. Noah. Question 9. What type of wood was used to make Noah's Ark? A. Oak. B. Gopher. C. Pine. D. Cedar. Answer B. Gopher. Question 10. Who led the Israelites into the promised land? A. Aaron. B. Moses. C. Joshua. D. Caleb. Answer C. Joshua. Question 11. Who was the first murderer according to the Bible? A. Cain. B. Abel. C. Seth. D. Lamech. Answer A. Cain. Question 12. What object did Moses throw into the bitter waters of Marah to make them sweet? A. A stone. B. A branch. C. A piece of gold. D. A staff. Answer B. A branch. Question 13. Who did God command to build an ark because of an impending great flood? A. Noah. B. Moses. C. Abraham. D. Jacob. Answer A. Noah. Question 14. Which city's walls fell after Joshua and the Israelites marched around them for 7 days? A. Bethlehem. B. Jericho. C. Jerusalem. D. Nazareth. Answer B. Jericho. Question 15. Who was the strongest man in the Bible, known for his great strength? A. David. B. Samson. C. Gideon. D. Solomon. Answer B. Samson. Question 16. Who did Jesus raise from the dead, making this one of his most famous miracles? A. Lazarus. B. John the Baptist. C. Peter. D. Judas. Answer A. Lazarus. Question 17. On what type of animal did Jesus enter Jerusalem as foretold by prophecy? A. A horse. B. A camel. C. A donkey. D. An elephant. Answer C. A donkey. Question 18. Who was the wife of Abraham? A. Sarah. B. Rachel. C. Leah. D. Rebecca. Answer A. Sarah. Question 19. What 2 cities were destroyed by God because of their wickedness? A. Bethel and Ai. B. Damascus and Sidon. C. Sodom and Gomorrah. D. Tyre and Sidon. Answer C. Sodom and Gomorrah. Question 20. Who replaced Judas Iscariot as the 12th apostle? A. Matthias. B. Barnabas. C. Stephen. D. Silas. Answer A. Matthias. Thanks for watching.